Hey guys, welcome back. This is Saif with another tutorial from Tech for All. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to convert a hard disk or a USB drive from GPT to MBR and from MBR to GPT. Let's start. I have already connected a pen drive or USB drive to my computer. Let's check that what partition it is. Is it GPT or is it MBR? Open Disk Management. Here you can see guys that this is my primary hard disk where it contains my files and the windows, and this is the 8 GB pen drive or USB drive connected to my computer. Simply right click on the USB drive and go to Properties. Click on the Volumes tab. Here you can see that the current type of the flash or USB drive is Master Boot Record. Let's change it to GPT. Click OK. Close the disk management. Now open CMD. Point to be noted that you need to run the CMD as administrator. After CMD is opened, type disk path. Now type list disk. This command shows all the hard disk and USB drives currently connected to your computer. As you can see that the disk 0 is my primary hard disk and the USB pen drive is marked as disk 1. Select the disk 1 by typing this command and clean it. The first time that I typed clean, it says access is denied, but by cleaning it for the second time, I was able to clean the USB drive. Point to be noted that all data inside the USB drive will be formatted. Now type this command. Convert GPT. It will convert the currently MBR USB drive to GPT. Press enter from your keyboard. The disk is formatted and now the type is changed to GPT. Let's verify it. I will right click on the Start menu and open the Disk Management tool. Now right click on the USB drive, select Properties and go to the Volumes tab. Here you can see that the partition is changed to GPT. Now let's change the USB drive from GPT to MBR. Let's exit from the disk part and clean the command prompt commands. Now again open the command prompt and run it as administrator. Now type disk path and press enter. Now let's see all of our disks. Here you can see that the disk 1, which is the USB pen drive, is GPT. Type this command. Select disk 1. Clean it first. Now type convert MBR and press OK. The disk partition is successfully changed to MBR. Let's verify it. Right click on the Start menu, open Disk Management. Right click on the USB drive, select Properties and go to the Volumes tab. Here you can see that the partition is changed back to MBR. And that's all for today guys. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will catch you very soon with another tutorial. Till then, have a nice time.